20 years ago today, Sergeant Pepper taught the band to play. Well, not quite, but it is 20 years since Guru Dharam Singh and I taught our first Kundalini Yoga teacher training course in the UK. It was one of the first programs licensed by Yogi Bhajan in the international KRI series. And it's a decade since we taught our own first course overseas, in Israel. And this year we'll be back in Israel for the 8th iSky course, under new management with Kundalini Yoga Tel Aviv and a new local support team, Hadass and Finch. But the program, the iSky program that's tried and tested over the years, will be the same. It was an Israeli woman who said to me, in Malaysia actually, "You're not charging enough for this course. I've done many courses like this and I've paid much more, but I've got so much more from this course." Over 2 decades and worldwide, this iSky course has proven to be much more than a yoga teacher training course, which it is. Some pass on this amazing technology in a class as KRI certified teachers. Others are healers and therapists who integrate the experience gained into their therapeutic practice. Others come simply knowing that this is where they need to be at this time, with these people, in this process. And all do share a process of transformation, leaving with a new awareness of self and purpose. Whatever your personal goal is, we offer you an opportunity to review and renew you. I'm looking forward to coming back to Israel, and I hope to meet you. Satnam.